Hello everyone. In this video I will show you exactly how to use your Zip card when shopping in a physical store. First, open the Zip app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap the In-Store tab in the app. If you have a physical Zip card, you can also scan the QR code on the card instead. Next, you need to create a purchase request. Enter the total amount you plan to spend at the store. Make sure this amount includes any taxes. After entering the total, review the payment plan and the disclosure details, then tap to continue. Once the request is approved, the app will generate a virtual card and load it onto your physical Zip card. Even though the numbers may look different, the virtual card is ready and linked with your Zip account. At this point, you can use your Zip card at the store just like any other Visa card. You can tap, dip, or swipe the card to complete your payment at the register. If you prefer, you can add the virtual card to a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay and pay using your phone. Thanks for watching.